Daytona Lagoon is a combination family entertainment center and water park. As the name suggests, the park is located in Daytona Beach, Florida, just 1 or 2 blocks from the ocean. It's not the biggest water park, but it cleverly uses its limited space and has a solid mix of attractions. In this video, I will rank all 5 major slides at this water park. I will be excluding the dry attractions in the FEC. Due to limited time, I only had the time to experience the water park. But most people come here for the water park anyway, so that is what I want to focus on. Number 5. Krakens Revenge. This is a rare mat racing slide from Arihant. This one has 4 lanes and consists of a large double down. I was not able to go airborne even with a good push, but it does build up nice speed. And the visuals are cool between the aqualucent rings at the start and the racing element during the open finale. Number 4. Poseidons Pass. This is a trio of tube slides. 1 open, 1 enclosed, and 1 semi-enclosed. These are not the fastest slides, but you can ride them backwards, which makes them mildly thrilling. You have a few sudden dips and 1 or 2 turns with decent sway that can sneak up on you if you're riding in reverse. Number 3. Shaka Halfpipe. This is a pendulum-style slide, also from Arihant. This one is 5 stories tall, and it starts off with a large plunge. It's not as steep as other models, so no airtime, but the sheer size of the initial plunge offers nice zip. Then you rock back and forth. The splashes on the pullouts decelerate you too quickly for weightlessness on the subsequent rocks though. Number 2. Blackbeards Revenge. This is a wet-dry water slide in your total darkness. If you have a lot of weight in your dinghy boat, you can whip around a few turns, and the small dips along the way can actually offer a little bit of airtime. And coming in number 1 is Adventure Mountain. This is a wild body slide and an absolute rush. There are 2 mirrored courses consisting of 1080-degree downward spirals. As you build up more speed, the helix gets progressively tighter, leading to some strong forces. This slide pulls some really good positive Gs. It also made me super dizzy, more so than most flat rides. The slide does have some joints you'll feel on your back, but it wasn't too uncomfortable for me. So that is how I rank the 5 major slides at Daytona Lagoon. What are your thoughts on this park's attractions? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this countdown, I would appreciate it if you gave this video a like, and you consider subscribing, because there'll be a lot more roller coaster and amusement park videos here at Canopy Coaster. Thanks for watching.